Good morning. Now, today is the Friday challenge, okay? So, all day you are going to be doing four different tasks. So, you've got a reading task, a writing task, and two creative tasks for you to complete throughout the whole of Friday, okay? So, every Friday you will get a new challenge. This week we're going to be focusing on the theme, of potions. Okay, so before I show you some examples of what you are expected to do today, I'm just going to show you on the website where you will find everything for all the Friday challenges. So I am on the Turtles homepage, okay, but if you are in Octopus or Jellyfish, this is exactly the same for you as well, okay. So on your homepage you need to click on afternoon curriculum activities, and then you will see an icon for the Friday challenge. Click on that, and we are on week 1, so make sure you click on week 1, and here you will have everything that you require for today's tasks. So a reading page, a writing page, creative 1 and creative 2. So within all of these pages you have got some you've got your task, and then you have got some resources as well. So for example, the reading task, which we'll go on to now, you have got the first chapter of Alice in Wonderland. Okay, so let's have a look at what you've got to do for your reading task. You have got to read chapter 1, so it is on the website for you to read, and we will send it out to you in your email as well. Okay, you've got to read all of chapter 1, and then you use your predicting skills to predict what might happen next. Okay, so that's your first part. Then, once you have predicted, you're going to find and highlight all of the words that is used by the author, Lewis Carroll, to describe Alice. So you're looking at your adjectives, your adverbs, all of those words that Lewis Carroll uses to describe her. And then you're going to discuss what her actions tell you about her character. So what does she do in the first chapter, and what does that tell you about what kind of character she is? Okay, so for example, if she follows a random creature, for example, is that telling you that she's shy, or is that telling you that she is confident, she is inquisitive? Okay, that kind of things for your reading task. Okay, then we're going to go on to your writing task. So your writing task today is you're going to make a safety label for Alice's bottle. Think about any symbols and language that could have been used, including use of imperative verbs. Use number or bullet points to order your instructions and symbols to make sure the message is clear and easy to understand. So on the website, if we go back and we go on to our writing page, you have got an imperative verbs word mat here if you are unsure of any imperative verbs. So remember, imperative verbs are your bossy verbs, okay? They tell you what you need to do. Again, all of your instructions on what to do is on the website, and you've got some pictures on here as well that you may want to use, okay? So I have done a very, very quick example of a drink me label. So I've just put drink me in big capital letters so it's very clear to see. And then I have numbered my instructions in number points, okay? So number 1, shake vigorously to activate potion. So there, my imperative verb is shake. 2, gently pull the cork from the top. So there, my imperative verb is pull. Number 3, close your eyes. Close is my imperative verb. Number 4, pour potion into your mouth. So pour is my imperative verb. And lastly, 5, quickly swallow potion before your mouth becomes numb. So my imperative verb there is swallow. I have also included adverbs as well. Okay, so even though you're only writing a short instruction label, you can still include all of your features that you know how to. Okay, so that's what you've got to do. Please try and decorate it with using some warning signs. So mine says warning toxic, okay? And that's what those are on the website for you to use. So you've got warning toxic sign here, and then you've got lots of different safety symbols that you might want to put on. So it might not be suitable for age 0 to 3, for example. Okay, you might have to you might not be able to use a knife and eat it physically, but you might be able to drink it. Okay, it might be flammable. You never know. It could be very extremely dangerous. Okay, so that's what you've got to do for your writing task, is to create a safety label. Okay, so then you go on to your creative one. So your first creative task is to create your own drink me bottle, like the one in Alice in Wonderland. So there are some ideas here. Now, some of these obviously are made out of glass and don't expect you to use anything glass in your house. What I would like you to try and do though is trying to use some recycling materials that you have. Okay, so for example, an old can that you may have had a drink out of, an old plastic bottle, a milk bottle, okay? That kind of ideas. Be imaginative to create your bottle. Don't worry if you don't have anything around your home to create anything like that. What you can do, you can use some paper, for example, to create a bottle shape, or draw your bottle onto a piece of paper and annotate it with what your bottle would be made from if you had the materials, okay? And then your label that you have just written in your writing task, add that to the front of your bottle. Okay, so that's your first creative task. And then your second creative task is to create your own potion. So you're going to create your potion that's going to go inside that bottle using a variety of ingredients of your choice. Now, please be careful if you are using ingredients from around your home. Please ask an adult for some supervision and to ask them before you use anything. Don't just get using any ingredients that you have around your home before asking. Please ask first, okay? Then I want you to give your potion a name and an explanation of when and what it is used for. And then don't forget to pour your potion inside your bottle and to add your label. So it all comes together, they all make sense, okay? All fit together. So I've just done a very, very, very quick explanation. So my potion is called Listen to Me, okay? And this is my explanation. So do you always remember what your teachers have taught you? Are you constantly daydreaming? Do you want to be as clever as a teacher? Well, this is the potion for you. Just one quick gulp and your ears will become the greatest listening ears of all time without you even realizing. This clever little potion will enable you to listen to everything your teacher says and will allow you to remember it forever. How amazing! Okay, so I haven't gone into exactly about what I haven't gone into explanation mode yet. That is just my introduction to my explanation. Okay, but you've got to say when you can use it, what it is used for. Okay, and that can go at the side of your potion. And then please take photos of your amazing work today and send those to your teachers. Myself, Mrs. Twig, Miss Cook, and Mr. Grocott can't wait to see all of your pictures of your amazing work, okay? If you do need any help though, or if you are stuck or not sure what to do, please email your teacher on your class email address and we will get back to you as soon as we can to give you some advice. I hope this video makes the Friday challenge a little bit more clearer for you, and I will do one every Friday to just go through the tasks and to hopefully give you an example of what we expect from you. Have an amazing day, enjoy, and have lots of fun. Speak to you all soon. Bye.